The auscultation of the heart. In auscultation of the heart, you can start at base or apex, listening first with the diaphragm, then with the bell. Put stethoscope from left fifth intercostal space. Move the stethoscope from left fifth intercostal space to the left sternal border in the fourth intercostal space. Move superiorly to the left second intercostal space. Then across the sternum to the second intercostal space at the right sternal border, stopping at the listening spots shown in this photo. To facilitate the correct identification of systole and diastole, you can auscultate the chest, palpate the right carotid artery in the lower third of the neck with your left index and middle fingers. S1 falls just before the carotid upstroke, and S2 follows the carotid upstroke. Systole can be identified as the interval between S1 and S2, while diastole is the interval between S2 and S1.